another coolest problem of CodeForces problem 71A, a way too long words. Okay, so what the problem is saying, like we have given a few words. If the word length is greater than or equals to 10, then what you have to do, you have to simply print it like this. For example, like if you look at over here, they have given localization. Okay, so this complete word length is 12, but we have to print only the first character and the last character, and the in between how many characters are present. So this is a very easy question. Let me gonna explain you like a little bit more. For example, if you look at over here, the word is less than or equals to 10. Okay, is less than 10. Okay, so how we have to print is as it is. But if it is greater than 10, okay, then what we have to do, we have to count how many words are present in between them, the first character and the last character. So over here the 18 are present in between them, so we have to print I which is I the first character, and N which is the last character, and in between how many 18 are there. So I hope the question is very clear. So that's what it is saying. You can even like read the problem statement, everything, just even try to read every single statement over there, because sometimes they literally try to play with your mind, but this is a very easy level problem, so I hope so you're going to do it. Anyways, let's just look at over here how we're gonna solve this problem. Okay, so first of all, what I'm gonna do is I will just simply gonna input, let's say we have to input like test cases. Okay, so if you look at over here, they are saying that the first line contains, now carefully look at over here, the first line contains an integer. Each of the following contains one word. Okay, so these is like how many test cases are given over here. So there are 4 test cases. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna input test cases. Okay, so that's what I'm doing over here, ladies and gentlemen. And after this, what will be my next step? My next step will be to execute for these tests. Like we have to now I have to input these test cases, which one given over here. So for this one I will simply run a while loop while my t is not 0. Okay, till then I'm gonna execute my loop, and in this one I'm gonna import my string test cases. So let me call it as simply scn.next. okay, and now what else? Now what else I have to do? I have to simply check over here. Okay, so now I have imported it. Now I will going to check if my okay, before that let me gonna just count the length. I have to count the length as well, like how many these words are over here. If these are like I have to count the complete length of my word. Okay, so for that what I will simply gonna do is int n equals to scn dot not scn, what I'm doing, str dot length. Guys, where my mind is, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm so sorry. Okay, now we know the length. If my n is less than or equals to 10, if that's the case, if it is less than or equals to 10, then I will simply gonna print it out my then I will gonna simply print it out my system.out dot print line what my str as it is, my word as it is. Well, because it is less than or equals to 10, because as they have mentioned over here, it is saying if its length is strictly more than 10 characters, then only we have to print this kind of a specialization word. Okay, otherwise no. So here we go. If that's the case, else what we have to do, I will gonna create one string builder over here for our use case. String builder, let me go to sb equals to new string builder. Okay, all right, now what I'm going to do, I will just simply say sb dot, I have to add the first character. I have to add the first character of my test case, like in this one localization L. So that's what I will going to do over here as app. My mistake. Okay, sp dot append. Okay, I don't know, guys, I'm sorry what I'm doing. Okay, so now what I do, I have to get its first character, str dot caret 0 0 1. So that's what I'm taking over here. All right, now after getting the first character, now I have to get this remaining one. Okay, so for that one, what I will gonna do, I will before going to the remaining one, I will gonna add my last one as well. Okay, let me just simply gonna add my last one as well. sb dot append str dot caret my n minus 1, the last one. Okay, so that's how I'm getting the last one. Now what I have my L and then I have my N. Now I have to get how many characters are present over there in between, like the length of the complete word. So in between them, what are we going to do? I will just simply say sb dot append. Now we have already added 2 characters. We have added the last one and the first one. So I will just simply gonna just simply decrease 2 from the complete size. Sb dot append and -2, and finally I have to print it system dot out dot print line what our now remember we are getting in the string builder, but we have to return in the form of string. Okay, so because that's what they are doing, we have to return in the form of string, if you can see. Okay, okay, all right. So now what I will do, I will just simply want to say sb dot to string, use this function, and it will gonna simply use this function. It will just simply gonna convert into string. Okay, so now let me just run this test. Before running this, let me save it. Now I'm gonna run this one, and let me just simply gonna copy these test cases from over here to see if we are getting right or not. And here we go, paste it, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So if you see, as you can see, like we are getting L10N, our word, our L1A, this one, and P43S. That's what we are getting. If you want, like we can even submit this one as well. Like I have already submitted, but for you guys I'm gonna do it again. Okay, let me simply gonna copy and paste this code from over here. Simply gonna paste it and submit it. Just for you guys, just for you I'm doing, because I have already made it. So yeah, test case 6. I don't know why it's taking so much time, but like yeah, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So it's accepted very well. Okay, so I hope so this thing is absolutely clear, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. If you still have any doubt, just do let me know in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.